Hey guys, here's what to do when you have a disabled Discord account. So first, go to your Google search engine and type Discord support. Then once you got here, just click on Discord support and then on the website, click on submit a request. And then here, just click on the drop down menu and click on appeals and age update request. And right down below it, just fill in your Discord email address. Next, click on the drop-down menu again and click on Appeal an Action Taken on My Account or Bot. And then click on Appeal an Action Taken on My Account. And then in here, just type the subject as Appeal regarding my disabled Discord account. And in here, they'll actually suggest helpful articles if you haven't read on it yet. And then for the description, just elaborate more on what happened on your account. And then for the attachments, you can take some screenshots or drop some files in there. And then after that, click submit. So after this, wait for Discord to email you right back on your Gmail or on whatever email you've put in your Discord. And just a reminder, you need to reply within 14 days after they've emailed you or else they will discard your request. And that's it. Hope this helps.